everyone, welcome to the Discovery Time. This is Glow Technology, the professional glow products manufacturer. I am Samantha. Today we are going to do an interesting test to check the waterproof performance between the two glow-in-the-dark powders. First, we need to prepare 2 glasses of water, waterproof glow-in-the-dark pigment, normal glow-in-the-dark pigment, and pH test papers. Now we use the pH test paper to check if the 2 glasses water are the same ordinary clear water. Okay, same color, same normal water. Then let's pour the waterproof glow powder into the left glass and pour the normal glow powder into the right glass. Stir and mix well with a glass rod. Now let's check again with the pH test papers to see if any changes. The left pH test paper remains the same with the one we used to test the clear water, while the right pH test paper becomes light blue. It shows that the normal glow-in-the-dark powder starts hydrolyzation already. Now we wait for 10 minutes. Again, let's check with the pH test paper. As you can see, the normal glow powder further hydrolyzes, while the Glow Technology's waterproof glow powder still remains no change. Let's wait for 1 hour and see. Again, we check with the pH test paper. Through an hour of soaking test, the normal glow powder seriously hydrolyzed, and the water pH value becomes very high, while the Glow Technology's waterproof glow powder shows absolutely no change. Finally, take a look at the glow-in-the-dark pigment soaked for 1 day. The waterproof glow-in-the-dark powder still remains no hydrolyzation, and the glow effects remains the same. Glow Technology's waterproof glow-in-the-dark pigment is specially developed for making water-based glow-in-the-dark paint